Welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy. Today let's start Trigonometry Conditional Ratios Part 1. Our first question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. So here we are given that a plus b plus c equal to pi. So we have written a plus b plus c equal to pi. Now out of these three angles, we will take one angle the other side, whichever we want. In this case, I will take angle C the other side to get a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Then thereafter, if you look at the things given over here, we need answer in terms of tan. So we will operate tan on both the sides. So on operating tan on both the sides, we will get tan in bracket a plus b is equal to tan pi minus c. And then we know the formula for tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a into tan b. And we also know that tan pi minus c, that means tan 180 minus c, is minus tan c. I hope this is clear. In next line, we will do cross multiplication. So this denominator will come to this side to multiply. And then now this minus tan c will multiply both these terms. Will multiply 1 as well as tan a and tan b. So we will get minus tan c plus tan a into tan b into tan c. Thereafter in next line, we'll bring this minus tan c to the left hand side. So we'll get tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c, which is our required thing to be proved. Hence proved. I hope this is clear to you. Our next question, question number 2. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 is equal to cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. So here given, what are we given? A plus b plus c is equal to pi. Again, out of these three angles, we will take one angle the other side. I will take c the other side to get a plus b is equal to pi minus c. And then we will divide both the sides by 2. Why are we dividing both the sides by 2? Because you can check here we need a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. Means all the angles are divided by 2. So to get 2 in denominator, we will divide both the sides by 2. So I hope this is clear to you. Then we will split the LCM. After splitting LCM, since we need answer in terms of cot, so we will operate cot on both the sides. Isn't that? After operating cot on both the sides, we must recall back one formula. We have learned that cot a plus b is equal to cot b into cot a minus 1 over cot b plus cot a. So this formula or this concept will apply in this part. This is also in the form of cot in bracket a plus b. I have supposed a by 2 as a and b by 2 as b. So we can apply this formula over here to get cot b by 2 into cot a by 2 minus 1 over cot b by 2 plus cot a by 2. And in right hand side, we have cot pi by 2 minus c by 2. It is actually in the form of cot 90 minus theta. And we know cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So here we have written tan c by 2. I hope this is clear to you. So in the next page, I will copy this line as it is to avoid confusion. Okay, so this line is copied from the previous page. Thereafter, in right hand side, it is tan c by 2. And we know the reciprocal of tan is cot. So we can write tan c by 2 as 1 over cot c by 2. Isn't that? Then we will cross multiply. So this cot c by 2 will go to this side and this portion will come to this side by cross multiplication. So please take your time to understand this one. I hope you have understood. Now what we do is we will open the bracket over here. It means cot c by 2 will multiply this. Again cot c by 2 will multiply this. This means 1 over here. So on opening the bracket we will get cot c by 2 into cot b by 2 into cot a by 2 minus cot c by 2. The right hand side is copied as it is. Thereafter we will do some arrangement. We will take this minus cot c by 2 the other side to get cot b by 2 plus cot a by 2 plus cot c by 2. I hope this is clear to you. So again we will switch their position. Means left hand side will be taken to right hand side and right hand side will be brought to left hand side. So that's it, which is our required answer, hence proved. I hope this is also clear to you. Our next question number 3 is if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that tan 3a by 2 into tan 3b by 2 plus tan 3b by 2 into tan 3c by 2 plus tan 3c by 2 into tan 3a by 2 is equal to 1. So to prove, here given a plus b plus c equal to pi, so we will take c the other side. You can take any angle the other side. So on taking c the other side, we have got a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Then we will multiply both the sides by 3 by 2. Why are we multiplying with 3 by 2? Because here you can check all these angles, angle A, angle B, angle C are all multiplied by 3 by 2. So here also we will multiply both the sides by 3 by 2. So we have multiplied and then we will open the bracket to get this line. After this, since our required answer is in terms of tan, we will operate tan on both the sides to get this line. And again we know that tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this formula or this concept can be used in this side, in left hand side, can't we? Because in left hand side we have in the form of tan a plus b. I have considered 3a by 2 as a and 3b by 2 as b. So it is tan a plus b. So applying this formula, in this case we will get tan 3a by 2 plus tan 3b by 2 over 1 minus tan 3a by 2 into tan 3b by 2. Isn't that? And in right hand side we have tan 3 pi by 2 minus 3c by 2. We know 3 pi by 2 is 270 degrees and tan 270 degrees minus theta is how much? It is cot theta. We have learned this in lower class. Isn't that? So I hope till here it is clear to you. In next page again I will copy this line as it is to avoid confusion. So we have copied this from previous page. Now we know the reciprocal of cot is tan. Isn't that? So we can write this cot 3c by 2 as 1 over tan 3c by 2. And then we will do cross multiplication. It means this portion will go to the numerator of left hand side and this portion will go to the numerator of right hand side to get this line. Please take your time to understand. Now after this we will open the bracket over here. Means this tan 3c by 2 will multiply tan 3a by 2 as well as tan 3b by 2. So we have opened the bracket to get this line. The right hand side is copied as it is. Now we need to bring this minus tan 3a by 2 into tan 3b by 2 to left hand side. So we have brought, and in right hand side we are left with 1 only. This 1 is over here, so this 1 is copied in right hand side, isn't this? Now we will do some arrangement to get tan 3a by 2 into tan 3 by b by 2 plus tan 3b by 2 into tan 3c by 2 plus tan 3c by 2 into tan 3a by 2 equal to 1, which is our required thing to be proved. Hence proved. I hope this is clear. There was no need to arrange this line in this form, but since our question has demanded in this form, so we have just arranged. Otherwise it does not make any sense to arrange. So at last I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.